Hinihinga ng written reply ng Commission on Appointments si Justice Secretary Laila De Lima kaugnay sa mga alegasyong ibinato sa kanya ni Sandra Cam sa confirmation hearing ng kalihim kahapon. Bukod kay Cam, ginisa rin sa De Lima ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada na isa sa mga sinampahan ng DOJ ng reklamong plunder kaugnay sa PDAP scam. Balitang hatid ni Jam si Sante.
There is one quality that a Secretary of Justice must have and which I know I deliver and will continue to deliver. The singular tenacity to do what needs to be done without fear or favor.
Tila dumaan sa butas ng karayom si Justice Secretary Laila De Lima nang sumalang sa Commission on Appointments. Tutol kasi ang presidente ng Whistleblowers Association na si Sandra Cam dahil tila pinapaboran daw ni De Lima ang itinuturong pork barrel mastermind na si Janet Lim Napoles.
Ang pagpupunta ng isang Secretary of Justice sa architect ng iskandalong ito ay isa na dapat hindi siya ma-confirm as Secretary of Justice.
Mrs. Napoles was the one, through her lawyers, was the one who approached me and indicated her desire to allegedly or supposedly tell all. As part of our truth-seeking mandate, why wouldn't I listen? We have never taken her word for it.
Naging emosyonal pa si Cam.
Tingin niya sa mga whistleblowers ay kaya lang gamitin ng gobyerno. Now I want to emphasize, as the president of the Whistleblowers Association, we are not maliliit na tao.
I consider her to be a friend, so I'm not sure why she has such negative thoughts about me.
Ginisa pa si De Lima ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada, isa sa 3 senador na sinampahan ng DOJ ng reklamong plunder kaugnay sa pork barrel scam. Nalaman pa raw ni Estrada na pinabantayan siya ni De Lima sa Bureau of Immigration nang minsang lumabas siya ng bansa.
I will face the charges. Fabricated though, I will face them in court.
I with due respect, I disagree that these cases are fabricated. We will never have.
Well, that is my opinion.
I respect your opinion, right, sir, but we would never would have filed those cases.
Bukod sa pork barrel scam, inungkat ni Estrada ang pagtanggap daw ni De Lima ng 1 milyong pisong allowance mula sa PAGCOR noong chairman pa siya ng Commission on Human Rights.
Isn't it true that Ms. Arroyo gave you an additional 1 million a month coming from PAGCOR as your allowance, additional allowance?
There was a confidential fund allotted to the CHR.
Oh, but
that is not an additional allowance, sir.
How much was it?
Various amounts.
Ranging from?
500.
A month?
Not a month, sir. Sometimes it's about quarterly.
Pati ang pagiging abogado noon ng kalihim ni dating Palawan Governor Joel Reyes, isa sa mga tinutugis na akusado sa pagpatay sa journalist at environmentalist na si Jerry Ortega.
Didn't you give him more preference because he was your former client?
Of course not, Your Honor. I never do that.
Sa huli, sabi ni Estrada, hindi na raw niya haharangin ang kumpirmasyon ni De Lima. Hindi rin pinalampas ni Estrada si Heidi Mendoza ng Commission on Audit. Ang ahensyang naglabas ng report na ilang mamabatas kasama si Estrada ang naglagak ng pork barrel funds sa mga peking NGO ni Napoles at iba pang peking foundation. Inusisa ni Estrada ang condo unit daw ni Mendoza sa Serendra, pati mga foreign travel daw niya.
Majority of my travels, Your Honors, if not all, are shouldered not by government funds, Your Honor. At nagre-return pa po ako ng excess per diem kung kinakailangan po, Your Honor.
Never nag-shoulder ang COA ng pamasahe mo, bro?
Meron pong mangilan-ngilan.
Pinababalik si Mendoza sa pagdinig ng CA sa susunod na linggo para sagutin ang iba pang tanong ni Senador Estrada. Hindi tulad ni De Lima at Mendoza, nakalusot sa committee level ng CA si DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman.
The Committee on Labor, Employment and Social Welfare hereby recommends to the Commission and Bank in its plenary session the confirmation of the ad interim appointment of Honorable Corazon Dinky Juliano Soliman as Secretary, Department of Social Welfare and Development. Congratulations.
Wala kasi roon si Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago na nagbantang haharangin ang kumpirmasyon ng kalihim dahil daw sa pagiging balimbing niya. Muling haharap sa plenaryo si Soliman sa Miyerkules. Pero ipinrotesta ito ni Santiago ang pagpapalit ng petsa ng pagharap ni Soliman para tanggalan siya ng kapangyarihang i-veto ang pag-confirm kay Soliman. Jam Sisante, GMA News.